This is Ken Rockwell with kenrockwell.com and kenrockwell.tv. Let's take a look at the Auray pop filter gooseneck, which is model number PFNY-6. It's a 6-inch diameter gooseneck and clamp and double nylon shield. It opens up pretty easily. It's one of these little slider things here. Gotta love that. Take it out. Boom. Done. All figured out. Turns out the nylon I thought was going to be separated. You can see there's definitely two pieces of nylon here, but they're actually flat with each other. There's not a quarter in space like I thought there might be. It's a plastic surround. It's a metal gooseneck. It's got this metal clamp. The only plastic parts is this handle is plastic, and this oddly formed part here that grabs your mic stand is plastic. This is metal, this rivet's metal, and that's the gooseneck pop filter. How well does it work? Well, I've got two of them. The other one is on my microphone on my desk right now, and I shouldn't blow on it, but if I go pickled piper pecks a pickled pepper papa 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 pa, there's like that. If I move it to the side, oh, probably not as good. If I hiss and move the filter in and out of the way, does it change the sound quality? Let's see. Nope, no change in sound quality. And that's that. For about $18, you know, you can't beat it. It's flexible, very punny, and it works just fine. And you can use it with whatever kind of microphone you like. Thanks for watching kenrockwell.com and kenrockwell.tv.